Update po tayo sa sitwasyon sa Canlaon, Negros Oriental na isinailalim sa state of calamity matapos po ang pagputok ng bulkang Canlaon. Kausapin po natin si Canlaon City Mayor Jose Cardenas. Magandang umaga at welcome po sa Balitang Hali.
Yes, magandang umaga din po, Ma'am Connie, at magandang umaga sa lahat ng nakikinig ngayon.
Mayor Cardenas, ano po ang latest assessment na ginawa po ninyo sa halaga at lawak po ng mga apektadong lugar dyan sa Canlaon?
Okay po, ma'am. Yung lawak po na affected ng pag-erupt nung nakarang araw na sa siyudad ng Canlaon na covers 5 barangay. Namely, Barangay Masulog, Barangay Pula, Linuthangan, Malaiba, and Lumapaw. And that is more or less 8,500 hectares. No, at saka yung napinsala na mga pananim, no, yung farmers, based on farmers, we have 1,600 farmers farming assorted vegetables. Then we have 1,316 livestock raisers yung naging affected natin. So we also have 155 individuals right now who are in our evacuation centers. So then just recently, the PHIVOLS has just issued that still alert level 2 is on effect. At saka we have recorded, latest recorded of 54 earthquakes, small earthquakes occurrence as of this time.
I assume, Mayor, yan ho ang mga dahilan kung bakit nagdeklara na nga ho kayo ng state of calamity. Pero yung pong calamity fund po ba natin ay sapat sa ngayon?
Yes, as of now, we haven't used our calamity fund, and our 5% of the calamity fund is still there. Now, actually, we just approved the state of calamity, but as of now, we are not utilizing it since we still have the resources coming from the national offices. Just like yesterday, the Secretary of DSWD, no less than Rex Gatchalian, visited us and bring us relief goods. So yun na muna ginagamit namin.
I see.
And we will be using our calamity fund when we will be going to these barangays after the eruption. Kasi yung mga aftercare ng mga tao kailangan natin, so they need check-ups and other things needed for their livestock and for their vegetables plantation.
Mayor, nasa alert level 2 pa rin po tayo, pero may abiso na ba sa inyo ang PHIVOLS kaya kung kailan ho makakabalik pa ang ating mga evacuee dyan sa inyong mga evacuation centers sa kanilang mga bahay?
Yes, again, if we will base on the declaration as alert level 2, 4 kilometers radius is being observed as strictly no inhabitants. 4 to 6 kilometers. So, as of now, yung andito sa evacuation center natin, hindi pa rin pinababalik sa kanilang mga tahanan.
Marami pong salamat sa inyong oras na binigay sa Balitang Hali, Mayor.
Yes, thank you po, Ma'am Connie, and maraming salamat din po, and God bless us all.
Canlaon City Mayor Jose Cardenas. Kapuso, para sa mga maiinit na balita, mag-subscribe sa GMA Integrated News sa YouTube. Sa mga kapuso naman abroad, subaybayan nyo kami sa GMA Pinoy TV at sa www.gmanews.tv.